Hi, Norbert here, energy engineer, and today I will show you with this cheap device how to increase the efficiency of your refrigerator, a big deal, and also to give it more power so that you will cool your food also in a better way. So let's talk about the refrigerator. What's the problem? That the refrigerator, we have it all in our home and they are an important part of our total consumption. We are talking about more or less 1 kilowatt hour per day. And with today's prices, and I think that today's price of electricity, they will not go down very quickly, if at all. And let's say if we pay 50 cents per kilowatt hour, then we are talking with 1 kilowatt hour per day, and maybe more in the United States and less in Europe. We are talking, let's say, about 180 euros or dollars per year. What's the problem? You know, in a refrigerator and also in a freezer, you have a heat pump, and this heat pump is just pumping heat from the inside to the outside. So that's the reason that inside it's becoming cold and outside it's becoming hot. And the problem there is that where it's becoming hot, it's a condenser. It's between the fridge and the wall, and it has a hard time to get away. You get a kind of a warm cloud of air which is not getting away, especially if you have an enclosure like a cupboard which has only small openings at the bottom and at the upper side where the air must go in and out. This hot air is accumulating there, and the heat pump must go against a higher difference between inside and outside. And if this temperature difference is high, then it will consume more energy. So what are you doing there? You just blow it away, this hot air. You are just connecting this device on the contacts of the compressor, where the compressor will be switched on and off. And in this way, the fan will work if the compressor will work, and it will switch off if the compressor is resting. And in this way, you will have a lower temperature, and if the temperature at the back of the refrigerator is 1 degree lower, then you will save more or less 4%. Let's take that as a value. 4% energy saving for each degree. So if you blow away this cloud and you get 7 degrees lower at the back of the fridge, then you would be already at this 30% of saving of 180 euro, and that is 55 euros. So that is something in a year which is not so much money, but if you look to the cost of such an investment, this is a big one. In reality, you need only 3 or 5 watts of a fan, a smaller fan. You install it at the lower side of the condenser, then maybe a little bit of money for the transformer to get 12 volts for this fan, or maybe you have it already in your home, because many of these small transformers of 12 volts, they get recycled. So maybe it's completely free. So that means in a couple of months you can get back this investment, and moreover your refrigerator will be more powerful to keep your food cool. So that's it for this week. I hope you will have success to make this little hack, and look also to this to the list to save energy on your refrigerator. You can stop the video to look at the whole list. I would like to invite you to like, to subscribe, and to share this video. And if you have questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment field. And I hope next week we talk again about the next hack we will have in your home. And I wish you a good energy.